Hey guys, Dan Lawson here with AB Homes. If you are looking at building a brand new home, you're gonna need land. And guess what, folks? We got the land. If you're interested in building, you've got to take a look at some of the awesome lots that we have currently. So if you'd like to learn more about what we do and who we are, please give us a call, 757-435-9900, or find us on the web, abhomesva.com. We would love the opportunity to sit around this table with you and talk about building your dreams and your new home.